Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
What's up, guys? So I'll be teaching you how to go about your MT5, how to log into your broker account on MT5 and MT4, how to place trades, how to use different types of order, which is the instant market execution, sell stop order, buy stop order, sell stop limit, and buy stop limit, how to modify your trades, how to close positions, how to close partials, and how to move your stop loss and how to break even on your trades. So guys, if you know you're really interested, give me a thumbs up and share the videos as well. I would like to see you click the like button. So let's continue. Now, first thing you would do when you want to download your MT5 or maybe your MT4, you first of all go to your app store. If you're using the iPhone, you go to your app store. If you're using an Android, you go to your Google Play Store so you can be able to download it. So you come to the search here and then you simply search for MetaTrader 5. You can see that I already have it here on my phone. I have the MT5, I have the MT4. So you can just click on open. So once you click on open, it's going to bring you here where it says the quote. This is actually a demo account. So now for you to be able to add pairs, you simply click on search. Let's just try to take out some pairs now. So if you click on the icon, this pen icon right here at the top right corner, once you click on it, you'll be able to then delete the pairs you don't like. So I'm actually deleting these things off so that maybe I will show you how to add pairs to your quotes. So now I have removed all of them. I currently have BTC and ETH USD running, which I'm used to teach you how to modify our stop loss and the rest of it. So now if you want to add currency pairs or crypto pairs or maybe indices to your quotes, which is your watch list, you click inside of this enter symbol for search. You click on this forex here. We have from the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and USD CAD down to the rest of it. So now you're going to choose your favorite pair. So once you choose your favorite pair, you see this green circles that have this cross sign inside of it. So you're going to click on the cross circle to add it. So now I've added about 5 pairs. So now let's go back to our quotes. You can see that now we are at our quotes and we've been able to see that we've added currency pairs to our quotes. So you can simply move them to the upside. So let's say I want to move my currency quotes according to the pairs that I love looking at first. So now I'll click on this pen icon at the top right corner and I'm going to click on this three button by the side here at my right hand here and then move it gently, like click on it here. Once I click on it, I'll be able to then move it. You're not clicking inside of the circle, you're clicking at these three dots at the right hand side and then you move it according to your favorite pair. Maybe you move it to the upside. So these are the pairs I love looking at every day. I first of all look at my Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD to find opportunity on all these pairs. So I'll gradually move these things to the upside and then arrange them accordingly. And after when I'm done, I will then click on this button at the top left corner and set done. And the next section we have here says chart. You can see that after the quote at the bottom here, we have the chart. So once you click on the chart here, it brings you to the chart where you'll be able to see what the currency pair is doing. So this chart here allows you to see where you actually bought or where you actually sold. And then if you check at the top left hand corner, you'll be able to see BTC USDT 4 hour, which is the Bitcoin US dollar 4 hour. So if you click on this H4, you'll see multiple time frame where you'll be able to then search the time frame you want to look at your currency pair or to know what the market is doing on that time frame. So now I click on the H4 at the top left corner and then I click on the M30. It brings me to the 30-minute time frame. So the thing this does, what this does is to allow you to check what the price is doing on different time frames. So now you can also go down to the M15, which is the 15 minutes, to know what the market is doing on the 15 minutes. And then we have this cross button right here. After the M15, there's this cross button right here. So let's say maybe you want to check at some certain price. Once you click on this cross button at the top here, so once you click on that cross button, you see that you can see this thing moving in front of my screen. So you can see that, okay, now I want to modify my trade. I can use this thing to know the price at which I want to modify and add stop loss, or maybe modify and use for my take profit. So why I want to modify my trade, that's when this cross button here will be most very much important for me, so I can know the level and the price that I want to use for my stop loss, or maybe for my take profit, or maybe I'm trying to analyze from here. So the next place here, what we have here is trade. You can see that I have this demo. I've been using it, so I can use it as example to teach you how to take trades, modify trades on MT4 and MT5. So now what we have here is trade. So you can see at the top right corner we have a plus button there. So let's say for example you want to take a trade, you can simply go and click on the plus button at the top right corner. So once you click on that button, it's going to bring you here. Once it brings you here, you'll be able to see what we call sell by market or buy by market. So now we have different types of order. We have different types of order. If you click on this drop down button at the right hand corner, you'll be able to see different types of order. And after that, we also have this level here that says 0.28. This is where you're going to edit and put your lot size. I'm going to teach you guys about lot size and how to put the proper lot size. So after the lot size, you're going to see what we have here is we have the stop loss, we have the take profit. So now let's check out first about types of market order. What is market execution? If you want to buy at the current market price, is what we call the market execution. That's when you'll be using the market execution. This simply means you're okay to buy or to sell at the current market rate. So the current market rate you can see below here at the sell by market or buy by market. This is current market price. You can see the price changing. You can see the price changing, fluctuating up and down. So if you click on sell or you click on buy, it means that you've bought or sold at the current market price. And after that, we have the buy limit order. Buy limit order simply means that you want to buy below the current market price, which let's say for example now the current market price is at $30,000. So now you don't want to buy at $30,000. You want to buy at the rate of $20,000. So you want the market to sell off to $20,000 before you can then buy, because maybe you believe that after you've analyzed your chart that the market will need to sell off a little before it can then buy. So now you want to buy below the current market price. That's when you'll be using what? Buy limit. So now you are going to put the price you want to buy, which says $20,000. Then you're going to put your stop loss at around, let's say, below the price you want to buy, let's say around 19, or let's just say around $18,000. And then your take profit should be around 32 or $33,000. So now what you're saying is, now you're giving an instruction to your broker that if this price gets to $20,000 all the way from $30,000, then you want to be buying, and you want to buy to $33,000. And if this price goes past below $20,000 and gets to $18,000, that you don't want to trade anymore, the market should do what? The broker should simply take you out of your position. That's when the market will then hit what? Hit your stop loss, because your stop loss is below $20,000, which is $18,000. So you'll be losing money because the market did not go your way. Your analysis said once the market gets to $20,000, then the market will do what? The price will then push up to $33,000, which you'll be doing what? Taking profit. So now you've set the price you want to buy, which is below the current market price. So you can see the price fluctuating below here. If you buy at the current market price, you'll be buying at this price below, but now you have a specified price you want to buy out, and a specified price you want to take profit, and a specified price you want to get out of the market if the market goes the wrong way. So let's say you want to use, this is how for you to impute the lot size, because your lot size determined how much risks you're willing to take in a market, which you have to put into consideration before you take a position. Before you place a trade, you should try to know which lot size you want to use, because you can take a trade on a bigger lot size and you will lose all the money in your account. So for you not to lose all the money in your account, you should make sure that you're risking 1% of your account on every trade. So you can simply edit, you can use one standard lot size, or you can use 0.05, or you can use anything, but this is how you impute your lot size. Just edit it and put a proper lot size, and then you click on place. Once you click on place, you've placed that trade. So now you can see the trades that we took at the current market price is actually running in profit and in loss, while by the trades that we place using a buy limit order is still here. So if you check it out, you'll be able to see that the trade is what is placed, but it is pending. You understand? The same thing when it comes to sell limit. So sell limit is the opposite of the buy limit. The sell limit order is the opposite of the buy limit order, which means you want to sell above the current market price. Sell limit is the opposite, which means you want to be selling above the current market price. So you want the market to buy before it then sell off. So these are the types of sell buy limit and sell limit order. Buy stop simply means that you want to be buying above the current market price. So now let's say the market is pushing higher, and now you believe that once the market gets to a certain resistance level and breaks that resistance, the market will not sell off before it will buy, which means the market will continue to buy higher once it breaks past that resistance. So now you're going to set your buy stop above that resistance level, and once the market breaks past that resistance, it then triggers your buy stop order and then continue to buy to the upside, which means you're going to put, let's say the current market price is at 30,000, you're going to put your price at let's say the resistance level should be around the current market price is 30,000, so the resistance level should be around 33,000. If the resistance level is around 33,000 and the current market price is below 33,000, which means if the price breaks past 33,000 to around 34,000, the market will continue to push up from that level and it will not retrace back. You're going to put your current price you want to be buying at around 34,000. So once the price breaks past 34,000, then it will trigger in your position and continue to buy to the upside. Then you're going to put your stop loss around 30,000 and then 30,000 and then your stop loss maybe around 40,000. 40,000, and says if the price buys from 34,000 and gets to 40,000, you'll be out of the trade. You take your profit and leave the market. But if the price gets to 34,000 and triggers you in and drops back, once it drops back to 30,000, then the price should be hitting your stop loss and you're out of your position. So now buy stop means that you're buying above the current market price. Buy limit means that you're buying below the current market price. So now sell stop here is the opposite of buy stop. Sell stop is the opposite of buy stop. It simply means that you want to be selling below the current market price. You want to be selling below the current market price. So you believe that since the market is selling, is in a massive sell, once it breaks past a support level, the price will not reverse back or retrace back. So you want to set your sell stop below that support level. So once the price breaks past that support level, then you'll be then triggered into your position and then it will continue to sell off. So those are the types of orders that we have in the market. I have explained buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and then sell stop, and then how to impute your lot size. Now let's go about our settings. If you go to the settings here, and now let's say you want to log into your trading account. Now you're going to click on this new account. This new account is when you're done registering with a broker. Let's say you registered with Xness or you registered with any other broker of your choice and they've sent you your login details. They are going to send your login details to your email. So you're going to get your login and then your password. So now once you get your login and your password ready, you now go and open your MT5 or your MT4. Then you click on new account. Once you click on new account, it will then bring you here and give you an option to choose your broker. As you all can see, I have different brokers that I use. I have Xness, I have Blueberry Markets, I have Deriv, FBS, I have Quaco Markets Limited, I have IC Markets. So now you search for what? You search for your broker by clicking on this enter company or server name, which is broker. So then you click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to do what? Search for your broker. So let's say I want to search for Xness. I can then search for Xness, and then it brings out multiple options for me to then choose. I will then choose on Xness. Once you choose on Xness, it will bring out real account. Real account means that is a live account. So once you click on register a new account, that's if you don't have an account, you then register with a new account. But if you have an account which you have the login ready already, you're just going to log into a existing account. So you're going to use the one below which says use existing account, not the one at the top that says register a new account. If you don't have an account, you can then register a new account. But if you have an account, you can then log into an existing account. So you're going to click on the server. It's going to ask you to then log in. At this place here, you're going to put what? You're going to put your login, and then at this level here, you're going to put your password. Once you put your login and your password, you click on done. Once you click on done, then you come here, you see that you've logged in. Everything will then come up. So this place that says history is actually your history. These are some random trades because this is a demo account I'm using to give you example. While I was trying to explain these things, these are some random trades that I just placed so that you can see what shows up in your history. You can see BTC history here. You can see your loss. It hit what? Stop loss. So this one that did not hit stop loss, I closed it manually. You can see this one also, it did what? It hit stop loss. So everyone that hits stop loss, you see the red thing by the side here, and if it hits a take profit, you're going to see it what? Green. You understand? So this history will shows you how many trades you've taken, the date and time, how much you've deposited, the date and time, how many lot size you put, the date and what time, and it will show you your profit either in minus or what, or in plus. It will show you your swap fee, your commission fee, and then your balance. If you've withdrawn money, it will also show you your withdrawal. So this is what the history is all about. History is to show you about your trades that you've placed, the trade that you close in profit, the trade that hits your stop loss, your withdrawal, your commission, your swap fee, and all the rest. The activities that is going on your account, your deposit and withdrawal will then show in this history. So now you can as well close positions or modify your positions. So let's say you want to close this BTC position, you can just simply drag the left corner like this. You can drag it, then you click on this yellow icon here. Once you click on it, you can then do what? Go ahead and then close your positions. So you can close your position. You can as well modify it. So if you want to modify it, you click on this pen icon here next to the yellow icon, the one in purple. You can click on the pen icon and then you add your stop loss or maybe add your take profit. So you just modify it. If you want to know where to modify it, you can just do like this. Click on it, click on chart. Once you click on chart, you use this other icon I taught you. You say okay, I want to add stop loss at 1894. You go back to your chart, you do like, you click on it like this, and then you click on 1894, 1894 point something something, I don't know, but just 89. You can then modify. You've added stop loss. You can as well close bulk positions, like you can close bulk operation. You just click on accept. Once you accept, you can then close bulk positions. So these bulk positions means that maybe you have plenty positions that are already there. You can close all positions, close losing positions, close buy positions, close all Ethereum positions, close all Ethereum buy positions. So with this operation here, you can simply, with this operation here, you can simply close all positions, or close all losing positions, or close all buy position, or close only Ethereum position, or close all Ethereum buy position. So if you want to close your position, just click it like this and then take it off. You understand? Click it like this and then close your positions and take it off. You understand? And that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification so that you'll be notified for more. This is my very first YouTube video. I'll be dropping more content on smart money concept, supply and demand break of structures, how to find imbalances, and how to trade the smart money concept. I love you guys. Remember to always stay tuned for more videos, and let's keep riding on, guys. Good luck.
Nothing can stop me. I'm on